Does your entire body feel tight when you wake up in the morning? Do your knees ache? Does your back ache? Do your feet feel very sore when you wake up in the morning? So this is a very common thing that most of us suffer. Every second person I speak to complains of either knee pain, back ache, or the feet being very sore. So these group of disorders, backache, knee pain, etc., fall under a category of disorders called musculoskeletal disorders. Now these musculoskeletal disorders are considered as the second largest cause of disability in the entire world. And about 1.7 billion people suffer from these musculoskeletal disorders worldwide. So why does this happen? So we have a group of muscles in our body called the hip flexors that run along the front of the abdomen. Now these muscles not only help to stabilize your hips and your core, but they also play a big part and a big role in stabilizing your spine. So as humans, we have always been a race of hunters, gatherers and nomads. That is, we have always moved, we have been active, we have moved around in search of food, in search of spaces to live. So we have never been an inactive species. But what has happened of late is that due to technology, due to change in our environment and our lifestyles, the amount of time that we spend sitting has increased drastically. So in the 16 hours that we are awake, we spend 90% of our time in a sitting position. So this is one of the biggest culprits for the musculoskeletal problems that we have, that is knee pain, back pain, foot pain, etc. So how can you change this? The first thing is, when you are working, most of us have desk jobs. So when you are sitting at your desk, you know that you're going to be sitting for a prolonged period of time. Make sure that every 1 hour you get up from where you are sitting and you walk around for a few minutes, or if you have a staircase, climb the stairs up and down a few times. This is the first thing that you can do. Second thing is to always correct your posture when you're sitting. Sitting is bad for prolonged periods of time, but sitting in the wrong posture takes even a worse toll on your body. So when you sit, ensure that you're sitting erect and not slouching over your desk or your computer. Second thing is, ensure that your feet are firmly planted on the floor and your thighs are parallel to the floor. So this will be the most ergonomic position for you to sit and work in, so that it doesn't result in many of the problems that we have, such as back pain, neck pain, knee pain, etc. Third thing is, whenever possible and wherever possible, try to sit on the floor. If you're having a meal at home, try to sit on the floor and eat your meal, because we have lost the habit of squatting and picking up things. We have lost the habit of sitting cross-legged on the floor, and this makes that group of muscles, the hip flexors, very, very tight. So since the hip flexors are tight, it causes a lot of tension in your spine, in your core and in your legs. So this results in most of the problems that we are suffering from. So ensure that you do at least a few of these things to make sure that you don't end up with most of these problems. And even though we are sitting for prolonged periods of times, there are certain things that we can do to ensure that we don't end up with back pain and postural problems. So we have demonstrated a few hip stretches on our YouTube channel. So you can check out these hip stretches on our YouTube channel at Shredify Me, and you can follow these at least, if not every day, at least once in 2 days, so that you can relax these muscles and be more comfortable throughout the day. Thank you, friends.